Ito ang Liris Chika. Tonay Pangilinan hindi raw nagsisinungaling sa nararamdaman kay Bill Mariano. Kinilig nga ang mosang na nakapanayam niya. Ito kasi ang sabi ng aktor. I fell in love with her not because of what my eyes saw, but because of what my heart felt. It wasn't about appearance or perfect moments o yung kasikatan na to nang dumating si Belle. It was in the quiet way she made me feel understood, the comfort of her presence, and the peace I didn't even know I was searching for. Hindi ko siya minahal dahil sa kung ano ang nakita ko, kundi dahil sa kung ano yung naramdaman ko. Isang bagay na hindi ko kayang ipaliwanag ng mata, pero ramdam na ramdam ng puso. She became someone my soul recognized before my mind could even question it. And even now, I know it. It was real dahil ang puso ko hindi natutong magsinungaling, kundi natuto lang itong magpatahimik.